Got 3 apples in 5 minutes? Whip up the sugar-free apple smoothies for improved fitness and energy. Apples are more than just sweet and crunchy. They help moderate blood sugar, support weight loss, and boost your intake of essential vitamins. Core the apples and then chop them. First, we'll make apple peanut butter smoothie. Pour 1 cup of chilled almond milk into your blender. Regular fresh milk works too. Add 1 medium chopped apple, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, teaspoons of raw honey or swap it for brown stevia, keep it low glycemic, 1.5 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. It's great for a post-workout boost or a quick breakfast or snack that fuels your body. Next is the apple and oat smoothie, your go-to for gut health and weight support. It tastes like breakfast in a glass. In your blender, pour in 1 cup of chilled almond milk. Add 1 medium chopped apple. To keep the flavor fresh, choose apples that are not overripe. Add 2 tablespoons of rolled oats, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice to give it a warm, spiced-up flavor. 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar-free maple syrup, raw honey, or plant-based sweetener like stevia. Blend it all together until smooth and creamy. This smoothie supports healthy digestion and keeps you full longer, making it perfect for weight management. And we have the apple chocolate smoothie. Start with 1 medium-sized chopped apple. Pour in 1 cup of chilled almond milk. Add 1.5 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of zero-calorie sweetener like stevia or monk fruit, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon for a hint of warmth. Dish with a few ice cubes. Blend until creamy and smooth. Apples and cocoa both support brain health, and with no added sugar, it's a treat you can feel good about. Healthy, delicious, and sugar-free apple smoothies using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Each one is quick to make and designed to keep you full, support your metabolism, maintain ideal weight, and boost your well-being. So, which smoothie are you going to try first? If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!